Okay, here is the Hoover Multipurpose single speed but now 2-speed box fan made by Kel Air. Got this a few years ago at out of a barn behind a burnt down stone house. That house is long gone, and so is the barn and everything else. I got a bunch of fans out of there, and this is one of them. It's a Hoover Multipurpose. It's got these fat GE style blades, but it's not a GE fan because the hub's different. And there's the bottom. It's got front really ain't in bad shape. It's yellowed out real bad, and there's like 3 slats missing. And I think there was a crack spot on it, but I don't remember. I had to repaint it because when I got it, it was pretty rusty. I repainted it brown. That is not the original handle. It would have had one of them cheap strap handles there. This is actually a heater from off a heater. Screwed it on here and used it as a handle. And that is the knob. Here's the back. Has a standard McMillian motor. It's a 2-speed motor, but when I found the fan, the low speed was capped off. There's the Hoover Multipurpose thing again. And it had a single speed fan switch in it, which I think I still have the switch, but I don't know where it is. It's not in horrible shape. It's got a bunch more broken on the back here than it does on the front, but oh well. And I got this and a Robeson 4-bladed reversible fan from the same spot, but sadly the Robeson was a lost cause, and the motor was dead, but I got this out of it, so whatever. Anyway, started off on high. Moves a lot of air. Go to low, which since low was never actually used, the motor has an interesting smell on low. After a while it starts smelling weird. But the low speed's pretty nice. I could sleep with that. I'm already starting to smell the motor. And it's not like it's burning, it just smells like it's never been used on low. I mean, I've ran it on low for hours and hours and it's never burned up, so I just don't know why that smell don't go away. Anyway, here's high. And OFF spells off. Get this over before the battery dies. Just not having good luck with this today. Coast down's pretty good. When I got it, I could not get the blade off, and I still can't get the blade off. It's stuck on there really good. So I don't know what to do about that. Well, I sketched that. I did get it off once, and that was to take apart the motor, clean it out, and oil the motor. But I cannot get it back off for the life of me. This thing coasts down for quite a bit. It's like it never stops. But it will eventually, I promise. Okay, we can stop now. It's a little out of balance, I think. But anyway, there is the Hoover Multipurpose 20-inch box fan. I'll put the model number in the description. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.